Mexican food is full of ingredients and full of color, and is truly delicious. And for me to choose a recipe that is part of my family and part of my heritage is very difficult because there are many plates that they do. But a recipe that really stands out to me are the enfrijoladas, which my mom loves to make, and she makes them really good. So that's the recipe that I chose to make today. The ingredients that we're going to use to make the enfrijoladas are cooked beans, jalapenos, onion, fresh cheese, cream, cooking oil, chorizo, and corn tortillas. The ingredients that have more nutrients are beans that are a great source of fiber, minerals, and antioxidants. Also, jalapenos that burns fat naturally without harming the body. And also corn that is a source of antioxidants that fight cell aging and free radicals. To make the enfrijoladas, first we have to put cooking oil in a casserole and just let it heat. And now we add a little bit of onion that is cut in little pieces. This will just add a little bit of flavor to the cooked beans. We cook the onion until it looks like this, a little brownish. And after that, we add the cooked beans and its juice. Meanwhile, we are going to cook the chorizo. In another casserole that is already heated, we just add the chorizo. To make the chorizo as a topping, we're going to make it in little pieces. Now we leave the chorizo cooking and we go back to the beans and smash them until there are no whole beans left. Now in another casserole that is already heated, we are going to add cooking oil to heat the corn tortillas. When we're done heating it both sides, we go ahead and add some cheese to the tortilla and just fold it into like a burrito. I heated 3 tortillas to make 3 enfrijoladas, but you can do as many as you want. Now we just add the beans on top of the tortillas. Now we add some cream on top of the beans, and we also add some fresh cheese. And finally, we just add some chorizo and a jalapeno on the side with carrots. Here's the plate finished. I loved making it. I loved the process, and I'm really proud of myself for doing it. I also put the enfrijoladas in this gorgeous plate that just radiates Mexican culture. It belongs to my grandmother. It is really well made, and it looks that it has been hand painted, and it really gives it a Mexican touch too, because it wouldn't be the same if it were in a normal plate, because, well, everything about the dish itself, with all the ingredients, all the plating, the setting, everything just expresses Mexican culture, and it just looks very, very precious. As I ate the enfrijoladas, I felt really proud of myself of doing something that my grandmother and my mom have taught me, and actually doing a pretty good job because it tasted amazing. The chorizo, the beans, the cheese, everything is a great combination, and also the jalapeno gives it a really good touch, and it was just great to making something that my family taught me.